friends, welcome back to Palash Universe. So friends, today we will see one rocket named Starship which was blasted soon after the launch. So friends, let's start. Friends, this SpaceX company has launched one spacecraft named Starship on 20 April 2023. This spacecraft was blasted soon after the launch from the launch pad. Yes friends, let's study it. Starship was about 5,000 tons by mass, 9 meter wide and 120 meter by height. Starship is a super heavy lift space launch vehicle under development by SpaceX. Friends, I know that you all are thinking, how and why did Starship explode? Friends, the company said that they were failed to separate the super heavy booster and then some problem was there in Starship's 33 engine. So okay, bye friends, we will meet in next video. Please like, share and subscribe to this video and thanks for watching.